Do you ever feel like you need to spend a fortune to look fabulous in the summer? What if I told you that you can achieve a luxurious look without breaking the bank? In this video, I'm going to share with you some budget-friendly fashion secrets that will have you looking expensive while staying within your budget. And here's the best part. Make sure you stay tuned until the end, because I have an exclusive tip that will completely transform your style. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So let's dive in and discover how you can look fabulous this summer without overspending. Let's start with classic white pieces. White is such a fresh and clean color, and it can instantly make any outfit look more sophisticated. Celebrities like Helen Mirren and Jane Fonda often wear white pieces to exude elegance. High-end options are available from designers like Theory and Max Mara, but you can also find equally chic white blouses at H&M or Uniqlo for a fraction of the price. The key is to keep them well-maintained so they always look pristine and luxurious. White pieces are perfect for summer because they reflect light, keeping you cool while looking effortlessly chic. Plus, white is incredibly versatile. You can pair it with anything. Just make sure you have a good stain remover handy. Now, let's talk about shirt dresses. Shirt dresses give you that polished, put-together look with minimal effort. The tailored fit and clean lines make them look sophisticated and elegant. They drape beautifully and can flatter any body type when cinched at the waist, creating an hourglass silhouette that exudes class. The buttons and collars add a structured feel, making it look like you spent hours planning your outfit when, in reality, it was a quick and easy choice. Shirt dresses are perfect for summer because they're lightweight, comfortable, and stylish. Think about how effortlessly chic Max Mara and Eileen Fisher's designs are. High-end options exist, but you can find beautiful shirt dresses at Target or Old Navy for a more affordable price. Opt for neutral colors like navy or beige for a timeless look. Shirt dresses can be dressed up with heels or dressed down with sandals, making them incredibly versatile. They're so easy to wear, and you can accessorize them in so many ways. I love pairing mine with a slim belt to add a bit of definition to my waist. Monochrome outfits are another fantastic option for looking luxurious without breaking the bank. By wearing a single color from head to toe, you create a streamlined and sophisticated appearance that exudes elegance. Celebrities like Jamie Lee Curtis and Jaclyn Smith often use monochrome looks to make a stylish statement. Monochrome outfits have that chic, timeless appeal that never goes out of style. They are perfect for summer because they allow you to look effortlessly put together while staying cool in lightweight fabrics. For example, a crisp white monochrome look can be both refreshing and stylish on a hot day, while a navy or beige outfit can give you that classic, understated elegance. Now, let's move on to slim belts. A slim belt can define your waist and add a touch of elegance to any outfit. Think about how stylish a Gucci or Hermes belt looks. High-end options are fantastic, but you can find stylish slim belts at ASOS or Forever 21 for a fraction of the cost. Choose neutral or classic colors like black, brown, or beige for maximum versatility. Slim belts are a small accessory with a big impact. They create a flattering shape by cinching the waist, instantly making any dress or blouse look more fitted and polished. I love how a slim belt can change the entire look of an outfit. It's such a small detail, but it makes a big difference. And the best part? You don't need to spend a lot to find a good one. Linen is another fabric that screams luxury, especially in the summer. It's breathable, comfortable, and has a natural, sophisticated texture. Designers like Jill Sander and Brunello Cucinelli create stunning linen pieces that epitomize effortless elegance. The beauty of linen lies in its ability to look both relaxed and refined, giving you an air of understated chic. While high-end linen pieces are wonderful, you can find beautiful linen items at stores like J.Crew or Gap for a much lower price. Linen's natural fibers make it perfect for hot weather, allowing your skin to breathe while keeping you cool and comfortable. Its slightly textured appearance adds depth and interest to your outfit, making it look more expensive than it actually is. Whether it's a crisp white linen dress, a pair of tailored linen trousers, or a casual linen top, the fabric drapes beautifully and moves gracefully. It's so light and airy, perfect for those hot days. Just make sure to iron it properly to avoid looking too wrinkled. A little effort goes a long way in maintaining that polished, high-end look. And remember, the more you wear and wash linen, the softer and more comfortable it becomes, making it a worthwhile addition to your summer wardrobe. A stylish scarf can instantly elevate your look, making you appear effortlessly chic. Think about the elegance of a Hermes or Chanel scarf. These high-end pieces are known for their luxurious feel and sophisticated designs. While high-end scarves are lovely, you can find beautiful options at Nordstrom Rack or TJ Maxx for much less. The key is to choose patterns and colors that complement your wardrobe, ensuring they seamlessly integrate with your existing outfits. The versatility of scarves is another reason they are such a valuable accessory. They can be worn in so many ways, around your neck for a classic look, as a headband for a retro vibe, or even tied to your bag for an extra dash of style. Each tying method offers a different way to showcase your scarf and can completely change the feel of your outfit. Sunglasses are another must-have accessory for summer. They not only protect your eyes, but also add a touch of glamour. Designer brands like Prada or Ray-Ban offer fabulous options. High-end sunglasses are fantastic, but you can find similar stylish options at Key or Amazon for much less. Opt for classic styles like oversized or cat-eye sunglasses to keep your look timeless and elegant. Sunglasses have a unique way of elevating your entire look. When you wear a pair of chic, well-designed sunglasses, it instantly adds an air of sophistication and mystery. They frame your face, highlight your features, and can even hide tired eyes, making you look fresh and stylish no matter what. The right pair of sunglasses can make even the simplest summer outfit appear more put together and luxurious. Plus, they protect your eyes from the sun, so it's a win-win. Whether you're heading to the beach, running errands, or having lunch with friends, a stylish pair of sunglasses can make a significant difference in your overall look, giving you that polished, high-end touch that we all love. Now for the exclusive tip I promised you: thrifting. Thrift stores often have hidden gems, including gently used designer pieces at a fraction of the cost. For women over 60, this can be an incredible way to update your wardrobe with luxurious items without the hefty price tags. Spend some time at quality thrift shops or consignment stores to find unique and high-quality items that add a touch of sophistication to your summer outfits. Thrifting not only saves money, but also promotes sustainable fashion. By choosing pre-loved items, you reduce waste and contribute to a more sustainable environment. It's a win-win for your wallet and the planet. Plus, the thrill of the hunt makes shopping at thrift stores an exciting and rewarding experience. I'd love to hear from you. Which summer wardrobe staple have you tried that made you look and feel luxurious instantly? And have you ever found a hidden gem at a thrift store? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely love this next one on how to look younger without overdoing it.